welcome to another Minecraft tutorial. In today's Minecraft tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can make your very own working secret door. As a reminder, this can be anywhere. It can be anywhere you want it to be. It's just that it's a very secret, so it's just like this. And then it's a passageway. Okay, so stay tuned to know how to do that because I'm about to show you right now. Okay, so how you want to do this is first place down a sticky piston facing toward you, and then another one on top. Make sure they're sticky pistons and not normal pistons. And then you want to build, or you get a block of your choosing. Personally, my favorite oak planks. You want to build one block behind it, and then one more, and then one more. And then you want to make it turn by 3, and then bring this up, down to right here. And then you're gonna put down your lever, and then you're gonna get some redstone dust, hook it to the pistons, but make sure that it's one block behind the bottom one, and then redstone on the top. And make sure, this is super important, make sure that it's going into the piston. That's super important, guys. And you can't put it on top either. Make sure you get something that looks like this. And then, as you can see, it goes like that. And then you can activate it, or deactivate it. And then go like that. And then you just go like that. And then make sure you have one diagonal from it, like this, so that it's like that. Okay, that's also super important. And then you can just build your wall. So wherever you want, it just, or you can make it in your house. It's just, you can make it wherever. It's just that, it's literally that simple to make a secret door. Let me just quickly build this. Okay. It's literally that simple. It's literally that simple. Boom, and then boom.
Hey Drew, what's that plug-in mic that you had up here?
That's gonna be it. So subscribe if you're new. And hit the like button. And share this with your friends if they play Minecraft.